In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email and Constant Contact email. Start by opening Constant Contact and looking at the left navigation menu. This is where you will find the tools you need to create and send an email campaign. Click on Channels and then choose Emails. This takes you to the email area where you can manage existing emails and create a new one. Next, begin your campaign by clicking the button that says Create or Create an Email. Either option starts the same process. Once you click it, Constant Contact will guide you into the template library, which is where you choose the layout for your email. Now select your template. Take a moment to pick one that matches the style and purpose of your message, since your template sets up the overall structure of your email. When you see a template you like, hover your cursor over it and click Select. That will open the email editor. In the editor, you will be working with a drag and drop interface. This means you build the email by placing content blocks into the layout, rather than writing everything from scratch. On the left-hand toolbar, you can find elements such as images, text, buttons, or videos. Drag the block you want from the toolbar and drop it into the area of the email where you want it to appear. If you are adding text, keep it clear and easy to scan. If you are adding images or buttons, make sure they support your message and are placed where they are easy to notice. After you add your content blocks, move to Styling. Open the Design tab to adjust the global look of your email. Here you can update colors, fonts, and background graphics so the email matches your brand. Keeping these choices consistent helps your email look polished and professional. Once the design looks right, configure your settings and prepare to send. Add the contact list or segment that should receive the email. Then add a subject line. Your subject line should clearly reflect what the email is about, since it sets expectations before anyone opens it. When everything is ready, click Send. That covers everything you need to know.